Hi, today I'm going to talk about on how to do a serial number wise purchase and sales in real accounting software. First of all, when you create a product, you have to create by giving allow serial numbers here, and then you have to enter the item name. So after entering the item details, just click save. After saving the item, you have to go to purchase, and when you enter the barcode of the item and enter the quantity of that, and when you enter the quantity of that item, here a pop-up will come of asking the serial numbers. Here you have to add the serial numbers, 5 serial numbers of how many quantities are available there. So after adding that, you can click save, and when you do sales, what you have to do is, now I have added the item, enter the item, and if you are giving 2 pieces, enter the 2 piece, and here they'll ask on which serial numbers has been taken. You can click to and click accept. So when you click this item, here it will show you the serial numbers, and after that you can save the invoice. Thank you.